Ross is speaking with an old man. The two of them speak about the strange horrors of yesterday night. Apparently, it was dark during daytime, and what was more bizarre was that King Duncan's horses literally ate each other. At this point of the conversation, Macduff enters the scene. Macduff informs Ross that the servants of the king were the ones, in fact, to commit the murder. But Ross finds all of this a little bit weird.
Against nature still. Thriftless ambition that to raven up thine own lives means. Then 'tis most like the sovereignty will fall upon Macbeth.
He is already named and gone to Scone to be invested.
Ross cannot understand what the motive would have been for the servants to kill King Duncan. Even if the servants were paid by Duncan's sons to have him murdered, Ross thinks that it wouldn't make sense for the sons to kill their father when their father was already in favor of them and was ready to hand over the kingdom. Macduff says that he will be going to Fife, where his home is, and Ross decides to go to Scone and join up with the new king, Macbeth.